All right, we back again for another great episode. We're going to talk about engagement tips on TikTok. Are you ready? Get your pen and paper. I'm going to leave you a few tips. The first we're going to start with is the hook for viewers. Use bold text overlays or attention-grabbing visuals immediately. Let me say this. You have to do it in the first 3 seconds, though they're going to scroll. TikTokers are very short, patient people. You got to get to the point quick, fast, and in a hurry. Now, let's say, for example, if I was sitting here, oh, how you doing? Nope. It's got to be, what's up, man? You got it going on? And you got to tap the screen, or you got to jump it, or make it move, grab something out of this. That's what you got to do. Anyway, example, with hooks, stop scrolling if you want more views. Is that not bold? Or you've been doing TikTok wrong. Start with movement, a reaction, or a question. Yes. Next is posting times. The best time to post. They call it engagement times. Check your TikTok analytics, your followers. For the most times they're active. For me, mine are 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. When I post in the morning, I'm trying to get those people that are checking their phone before they go to work. I post again at lunchtime. I'm trying to get those people on their lunch break. And in the evening, I'm trying to get those people that just got home and they want to know what's going on before dinner. I post again some nights after 10 or right at 10, because they said between 9 p.m. and 2 p.m. people are active. And definitely if they're from another country. Now we know the app getting ready to change and we won't have that global appeal anymore. But know the peak time to post for your followers. Next is use a strong call to action. Sometimes I forget my own self, but at the end of your video, make sure. Now, some people start at the beginning. Before I get into this, engage with my video from the bottom to the top. And they'll say, share, like, comment, save, or repost. You got to do what they say they're suggesting. And that's the point of the suggestion. But at the end of the video, you definitely want to say, please like, share, and comment. Drop a word, drop a comment or something. That's called the call to action, the CTA. All right, it says encourage comments. Do you agree? Comment yes or no. Ask questions. Which look better, 1, 2, or 3? Prompt sharing. Send this to a friend who needs to hear this. I like that one. That's called prompt sharing. And next, what's important, and I really enjoy doing these, is leveraging trending sounds and use of hashtags. Let me explain it. Visit TikTok Creative Sounds to filter by your niche. So let's say you're an author, or even if you're a musician, look for your niche for those trending sounds, okay? Other than like when you going on your page and people are passing by dancing, doing the latest move, okay? You get me? Look at what that sound is at the bottom of the video if you don't know it, and follow the trending sound. You can put it behind a photo or put it to your next video. All right, pair 2 to 3 niche hashtags with 1 to 2 broad hashtags, with whatever you choose. All right, number 5, create reply videos to comments. When someone comments a question, Film a short reply video instead of typing a response. It boosts engagement and builds community. I haven't tried that, but that's a good idea. It's not that great. So take a little, let's say 5 to 7 seconds, and respond and upload the response. I like it. That's a good one. So when someone comments on a question, again, film a short reply. I like it. Now, next, build series content. Make a part 1 or part 2 to keep people coming back. Add follow for part 2 in your text and your captions. I like that. You know how sometimes, like, especially with cooking videos, sometimes you think at the end, oh, I missed this step, or I should have put this in. Say part 2 is coming. Like sometimes I do it on YouTube. What I do is I may make something and I forget to do the finished product. So I'll come back and say, follow me for the post of the finished product. So that's something else you can do. The other thing is post consistently, and I'm going to end with there. One of the things you got to do, even if you're tired, and this is where having your post scheduled or your video scheduled, is being consistent. Some days you ain't gonna feel 100%. Some days you just, hey, look, I'm taking a day off TikTok, or I'm gonna take a day off of whatever social media site you want, or that you favor or you work the most. If you have it scheduled, it can be going like clockwork. It's communicating, engaging, even in your sleep. So test talking head, text overlay, be rolling tutorials before and after. Keep what performs and drop what doesn't. So look at your video library. The ones that got the heavy likes, consider making a video again. It's just a different video about the same topic or the same product, whatever is working. What's not catching on, don't do that one. Just skip it and keep building on what people like. And I hope this helped you. Drop a comment, like, and share. See you on the next video.